everyone. My topic for the lecture is India-Pakistan relation. So, as we go back in the history, it was the India-Pakistan, the Hindu-Muslim relations. It was like getting separated because of the British government and also because of the Muslims. First of all, how the British government. It started in around 1950, 1910, when the British government decided to divide Bengal into two parts. The left, if we divide the Bengal, they decided to divide the Bengal. The left side will be for the Hindus, and the right side the right side for the Muslims. From here, they decided to divide Hindu and Muslims and to create a war between them. And again, by giving separate electorate to the Muslims and to the Hindus, and also to the backward classes. And how it added fuel by the Muslims by making their own Muslim League party, and also when the people of India are trying to make their own constitution around 1945, then the Muslim League party, none of the members have joined that committee, that assembly to make the constitution of India. So these are all the things that added a fire between Hindu and Muslim that time, and then it converted into a different country as a Pakistan. Then after that, Pakistan were always, many people say in international relations, Pakistan were always afraid that India can attack Pakistan and take over their previous land. But this never happens, and because of this, getting afraid, Pakistan always attacks India to decide and just to showing their own power. But in return, nothing happened to India, and tragically, India always grew. The recent example of the Operation Sindoor also shows where Pakistan decided to attack India and to disturb their development because many new companies, many big companies like Google, Microsoft were coming to India, making their plant in India. So Pakistan decided to attack and to disturb the Indian environment, their success. But what happened in return? India shows that their made in India missiles are more precise and can hit any target from anywhere in the world. That also shocks many of the superpower countries and of course the Pakistan. So in the last, India always decided to have a healthy relation with Pakistan, tried many times to make a good relation. But on the other hand, Pakistan has always put hammer on the back of India. In future, India will again try to make a good relation, but again the same thing will going to happen. So, yeah.